What's going on, guys? All right, so I'm on vacation. I'm at home and trying to enjoy my vacation. I'm heading down to NYC in Connecticut next week on Tuesday, and we're going to be doing a paint and wrap kind of collaboration video. So what we're doing is we want to kind of address the positives, the pros and cons of each, and where each come into play. Now, NYC, and I'll post his link in the description, is amazing at what he does. Gentleman's name is Larry. He's amazing at what he does. He's got a whole line of aftercare products as far as your car maintenance goes, and he really knows cars, and he knows the aesthetics of cars. So, as I do in vinyl wrap, he knows it in paint. So, we're going to kind of collaborate on what we're going to do. What I want you guys to do is leave questions in the comment section below, because we want to gear this obviously towards you guys and the questions that you guys might have. You know, I have even some questions for him myself as far as paint goes, because I'm not a paint person and I don't know very much about it. Obviously, I know it has a place in the industry because every car is painted. So what we want to do is, what I want to do at least, is answer some of your questions. We'll answer as many as we can, so please just put them in the comment section below. I want you to, and I'm going to look through them all. Leave as many as you can, and anything that you need to know about paint and wrap, please ask it, because we're going to try to address all of it. Anyways, guys, stay tuned for what the video is and how we go about doing it. I'll probably do a few while I'm there. Like I said, I'm just going down for one day on Tuesday, and we're going to collaborate on what we have going on for ideas. We're going to wrap one of his cars. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet. And we're going to be doing it in gloss Nardo gray, so it's going to be pretty awesome. And that's about it. So stay tuned, guys. Please leave those comments, begging you. I want you to have your questions answered while we're doing this. This is kind of the one and only times that we're going to be together doing this. Maybe we'll do more. Who knows? But anyways, right now, this is the only time we have lined up. And ask those questions. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Take care.